This is the cultivation area of cacao. Guys, let's take a look at the chocolate factory. Cacao trees grew exclusively in the areas that meet certain specific conditions. The Cacao Belt is an area of land around the equator between 20 degrees latitude north and south. Most cacao even grows within 10 degrees of the equator. Cacao cultivation initially spread into the immediate vicinity of the original habitat of the cacao tree. From Brazil and Mexico to Central America and to the Caribbean area. In the 16th century, the Spanish introduced cacao to the Indonesian archipelago as well as to the West Africa, which now accounts for more than half of the yearly world crop. In Southeast Asia, production has remarkably increased. Cacao is grown in more than 35 countries. The cultivated area covers between 3.5 and 4.5 million hectares. This area yields an annual production of approximately 3.5 million tons of cacao beans. The most important producing countries of the cacao beans are Ivory Coast produced 2,019,000 tons, Ghana produced 970,000 tons, Indonesia produced 290,000 tons, Ecuador produced 270,000 tons, Cameroon produced 240,000 tons, Brazil produced 174,000 tons, Nigeria produced 230,000 tons, Peru produced 110,000 tons, and Dominican Republic produced 75,000 tons. This information is according to International Cacao Organization or ICCO 2016 to 2017. David Sprüngli opened the confectionery Sprüngli and Fields on Markt Gaza in Zurich in 1836. From 1845 onwards, Sprüngli belonged to the pioneers of the Swiss chocolate producers and was instrumental in establishing the reputation still prevalent today of Swiss chocolate being the best chocolate in the world.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
In 1859, David Sprüngli and his son Rodolphe acquired a property on the Paradis Platz in Zurich, still little frequented, in the hope that one day the train station would be built here. Unfortunately, this was not the case, which caused for many a sleepless nights for the Sprüngli family. And yet, soon there was an active building activity taking place all around Paradise. The passing by Bahnhofstrasse developed into one of the most renowned shopping malls in the world. Today, Confessory Sprüngli takes a preferential position on the street with its store and the associated restaurant, cafe, and bar. Sprüngli is operated 18 stores in and around Zurich today.
We're gonna do it all again. We wanna
Another 10 can be found in Lucerne, Aarau, Baden, Basel, Bern, Zug, St. Gallen, Geneva, and Munich.
sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
Guys, as you've noticed, people look like talking on the phone, but actually we are listening to the history of the chocolate using audio guide.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you again on my next video. Bye!